Hi everyone, welcome back to Ellie Pop's Bespoke YouTube channel. Just wanted to do a quick video today about a craft shop that I use called Nicolas craft shop, and she has sent me some samples of these that she does. Now these are pre-cut bow loops on printed canvas, and this one is a Christmas one with the nice list ticked and also personalised with the name. This is the name Tess. You can request any name that you want to be printed on these. You can get them in sheets to use with your own dies, or they come pre-cut like this. So I'm just going to make it into a bow to show you how easy it is to do this. So I've just got some pink glitter here. I'm going to use my bow template. Now my bow template, the top part is pretty much similar to this template that's pre-cut anyway. So I'm going to use the big loop, the middle loop from my template, and the bottom. So I'm just going to cut those out and then we'll come back to making the bow. Okay, so we have our bow pieces cut out here. All we have to do is stick them all together. Nice and simple to make this kind of bow. So you can either hand cut your templates, or you can use a die cutting machine. I hand cut all of mine. And this one, again, it comes on a printed canvas sheet. You don't need to back these canvas sheets because they're pretty sturdy on their own. Just going to trim off some of the middle bits there that are overhanging. You don't have to do this, but I like to because it makes it neater when you wrap the middles round. Okay, and we're just going to stick them together. So we're going to stick this loop on here. Like I say, it's pretty sturdy, you don't need to back it. As long as you don't squash the loops down, it stays pretty sturdy on its own. You can plump it up if you need to. And then we're just going to attach it to the bottom. Now, some keen-eyed viewers may notice I'm using a different glue gun at the minute. That is because my trusty Bosch glue gun unfortunately went through a burglary and the tips snapped on it. So I'm in the process of having a new one delivered at the moment. Okay, so I've got a centerpiece as well, and what I will do is stick that on there. Now I'm not going to put a bobble or a clip on the back of this bow today because I'm going to give this one away, and I'd like to see if they would like it on a bobble or a clip. So I'm just going to leave that off for now. But what you would do is get your clip, stick it on the back and wrap the middle through it, and there you go. But what this video is mainly about is letting you know about Nicolas craft shop. This fabric has been really popular this year. You're not too late to go over and order some now. There's still plenty of time before Christmas to get your personalised loops. She doesn't just do Christmas, all seasons. We got the Halloween ones earlier on this year at Halloween, where you can personalise the loops, and I'm sure she'll do many more for many more uses. You probably get the school ones, all personalised, pre-cut loops, or you can buy canvas sheets with them on for you to cut out yourself. So I'll pop a link in the description to Nicolas craft shop, and a link to where you can actually get these on the site as well, so it takes you straight to it. But take a look on the site. I have done a video before on Nicolas craft shop. I will pop a little clickable I button up here somewhere, and you can follow that link and have a look at what she's got to offer. She doesn't just do printed canvas, she does embellishments and glitter fabric as well. If you're struggling to find this glitter fabric, take a look over there. She does ship worldwide as well as to the UK. So yeah, take a look, see what you think. And if you've got a little girl called Tess, get in touch with me. This bow may be coming to you. So thank you very much for watching. Pop over to my Facebook group if you're not a member of it already. It's Ellie Pops Bespoke YouTube. I'll pop a link to that in the description also. Don't forget to subscribe and turn the notifications on if you want to see when my next videos will be coming up. I've got a couple more Christmas ones to do this year. So I hope to see you over there and see all your creations. And I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.